How to check your connection status in Surfshark VPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to check your connection status in Surfshark VPN. So in order to do this procedure, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log into your Surfshark VPN. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now from the home page itself, you can look for an area within the app that displays your current connection status. Now this is usually located prominently on the app's main screen or on the dashboard itself. So unfortunately I'm unable to show you the procedure. So when you're connected to the following server, then you should be able to see the status right over here. When you locate it, in most cases Surfshark VPN will have a visual indicator to show whether you're currently connected to a VPN server or not. Now this indicator may appear as a green icon or texting indication such as connected when you are connected to a VPN, and it may have changed to a red or display disconnected. So some version of Surfshark VPN may also allow or provide additional connection details such as VPN server location you are connected to, your IP address while connected, and durations of your current VPN session. Now you can review these details to ensure that you're connected to a secure and functioning as expected also. And sometimes you can also check the notification or a system tree, as this may indicate a message itself. So that's how you can check your connection status in Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.